what did you experience as like what you felt was your biggest roadblock? Were you interested in tech? Did you just decide one day you wanted to do this? Like, how did that all come to be, and what do you feel was the biggest roadblock into this space?
It's always been me, at least, finding an alternative route to where I think I'm worthy and starting off as a beginner. And I have to start off as a beginner because most of the time I'm overlooked. I might not have the experience. I might not, fit some type of profile that they might be looking for, but I know what I bring to the table. And so I start off at that entry level, and then from there start proving with results. And then I'm like, you overlooked me, you undervalued me, you might have slept on me, but I'm here today, my foot's in the door, and now you're gonna feel this. I might be the first person of color that's been in this room, but I don't want to be the last. And that's at least the message that I'm trying to embark on, at least my tech journey or with future employers. Wherever I am, I want to set a tone for people who look like me to intentionally improve their lives and open the door for others. So knowing that I represent something much larger than myself challenged me as a person to be better, because I don't represent just Lionel Poole. I represent essentially people of color in the tech industry.
What would you tell someone who was thinking about joining SV Academy?
If you are interested in SV Academy, I'd first ask you to really take a deep look at your life and make a decision if this is right for you. And the second you have enough conviction that you want to jump into SV Academy is the second that you will succeed in life. SV Academy will develop you, give you fundamental blocks, at least for a tech sales journey, provide you with many great alumni, mentors, put you in front of employer partners. But unless you have that conviction, unless you really are able to look in yourself and say, this is something that I really want, I don't think you will succeed. So once you do research SV Academy and you do see your homework and you are seeing that light of the tunnel, dive in full-fledged.
My final question, and the last thing I guess I want to leave with, goes back to how we started this conversation, which is Black history. Like I said, my story is that it's more than just celebrating a month. It's about recognizing where we've come from, always keeping that as a part of what moves us daily. It's not just 1 month that we should be looking at this. I feel like there's greatness that we've watched happen year over year, and there's greatness that we're watching develop and come out now that is creating the history. How are you creating history? How are you gonna leave your mark?
There's many things that I would like to do as far as leaving a legacy in the tech world, but my biggest thing is creating opportunity for others. I know we spoke about earlier about just the highlight of Black history for this month and some of the tough challenges that our fathers, mothers, or everybody's have endured. But these are challenges that people are facing every day. Success stories are created every moment. We could see it around us essentially every day. And so my mission essentially is going to be set out to help create success stories every day, not just particularly for 1 month or for a separate group of people, but creating opportunity for people who look like me and helping our culture move forward.